Okay, this is the strangest review slash kit. I have this HSU curved aluminum mount for GoPros or action cameras, which I absolutely love. This thing is phenomenal. I love how it's lightened. I love how they have the 1/4-20 attachments to put additional accessories on it. All that, lots of love. They actually have the nut built right into the metal right there. And that's the end of the love until we get to this little bag, which is kind of like the dumbest little bag I've ever seen. Here, let me show you what that is. That's right, that is 2 regular button head screws with washers and a little teeny Allen wrench. Why can't they get just a normal generic GoPro, you know, thumb tie thing? Let me show you. This is just a plain old generic one from every GoPro knockoff action camera we've all seen 10,000 of. Why do we have this when we should have 2 of these? I don't know. Seems like a silly thing. I'm not going to knock it over that, other than this is kind of like a stupid thing. I'm wondering if I could use this hardware for something. That looks like it might be helpful just to have as a hardware spare. In any case, this part stinks. This part is awesome. So you can forget about this and go with the awesome here. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.